So this is our admin page by which admin can update his information. So now lastly we will have another page for the public to view our information. First of all, I'm gonna modify the structure of this page. You can see we have headline not more than 12 characters. So for a greater headline, I will edit my database. So going to my database, admins table, clicking structure, selecting this A headline, changing it. Let's make its length to be 30. Click save. Now, before reloading, I'm gonna change the validation on this one. So going to my page of my profile.php, you can see A headline is greater than 12. We will have our error message. So I will make it 30, and let's also add 30 here. And also for the small tag, it's a span of text of danger. So I will make it 30 here. So now if I refresh my page, so adding something, bio and freelancer content writer, publish. See, now it's working completely fine. And in case if you leave some field, like if you leave bio, your bio will be empty. For example, if I don't change the name and also the headline and also the bio, if I click publish, see, now it updated the name, the bio, the headline, all with empty one. So make sure you put something here before updating your headline, or you can modify this code. I think it's very easy and you have the skills to do that. So let's design a public page by which user can view some information about some admin. So I'm gonna open my blog page. So this is my blog page. So you can see this name appearing here. This was written by Jazib. This one was Jazib. This one was Xerox 121. So I echo the username of the admin here. So I will apply a link on this username so that anyone from the public can click on the username of the admin in order to view his bio and information about him. So back to my editor, opening my file of blog.php where we are fetching that data. So right on line 126, you can see this small tag in which I have this admin name. So I will apply a link on this admin name, adding one anchor tag here and wrapping this whole admin with this anchor tag. And now for the link, it will be profile.php, and the search query parameter will be the name of our admin. So username is equal to the username that we have here. So echo, first applying HTML entities, and then I can simply copy this whole one, admin. So if I save this one and refresh my page, you can see it got a link, Xerox 121. And if I go here, Xerox 121, and here Jazib. So if I click on Jazib, I'm on a page of profile.php, username is equal to Jazib. So we will create this page of profile.php in this movie by which we can fetch the public information for this admin of Jazib. So now in order to create this file of profile.php, I will open my basic.html file and I'm gonna save this file as profile.php. So in order to change its title, adding profile here, and then let's first browse this file. So if I refresh this page, this is my profile.php, and you can see we have this header from the admin side. So I will replace this whole menu navigation by the public navigation. So opening my file of blog.php, and I'm gonna copy this whole nav bar, and let's paste that nav bar here. So replacing this one, saving this one, refreshing my page. So we got this navigation, and then we got this header. So first of all, I will change this header. So back to my editor, right here in this header area, I will go with call-md-6, and for font awesome fa-user, and the text color will be success. Let's also add some margin to the right, and for this one let's add just the name here. Then after this h1 I will have another h3, so in which I will just add the headline here as a text, and then after this header we have this header ending here. So instead of this pr tag, adding one section here that will have a class of container, and padding from the y-axis, and also some margin bottom of 4. Then inside this one we will have our div with the class of row, and then inside this div we will have another div that will take around 3 columns, and inside this div I will have one image tag. For now we will go with avatar.png, and applying the bootstrap class on this image display block, image fluid, and margin bottom of 3. So if I save this one and refresh my page, see we have this name here, then we have the headline, then we have this image. Let's also make this one in form of a circle. So I can apply the bootstrap class of rounded circle to make it in a form of a circle like this, and that's it for this call md-3. Now after that we will have another div that will take around 9 columns on medium screens, so call-md-9, and we will add our content in form of a card, so adding the bootstrap class of card. Then we will have another div with the card body class, and here we will have one p tag with the class of lead, and for now I will just put some random text. Saving this one, refreshing my page. So this will be the structure of our profile.php. Let's shift our footer at the bottom of the page, so I can apply some minimum height on this call md-9. So applying minimum height of 350 px, saving this one. Let's also make it to 400. Okay, better. So this will be it for designing the profile.php page. Now in the next movie we will add the PHP to this page so that we can fetch information according to this username of Jazib.